About all this weight? You remember on your... Yeah, that's the sign inside. Let's see what it says. Oh my goodness, you backed the dog! Oh my goodness! Like, give it the gas?
Yep.
Ah.
I don't think I have something. Jamie. Sit this way.
I'll give you a job.
Wait, so I get out of the way.
I'll jump right away anyway.
Well, he won't jump right at you.
I said he won't jump right away. Is that not the spot you were getting to? Would you get out of his way? You're a big bird, eh? You okay?
Pardon? Coming to get you.
When he gets close, get out of his way. 'Cause
I'm coming.
Okay.
My feet are working hard.
Don't go all the way, huh?
Jamie.
Jamie Ruby. Go on.
Come on.
Can you ever swim?
To you, Christina. Hi.
Hi.
You wanna come up? You wanna come aboard? Watch it, watch it. I got the camera.
Mommy. Can I go on with her? How come you can steer? Can you get the black speed?
Jamie, sure. You can't have the flippers. Here. Hang on. What a goof.
Bye.
No.
Anchor us, dear.
Anchor us? Okay, give me a big rock.
I like this one. This is bigger. I love it.
You don't have to skim it.
I like to clean it. It's clean already. It's kidding me. It's fast. How you do it?
Well, that's what they were bred for.
Oh, is it? Sean, you know how you say Patrick, stop. Oh my line. It's right here. No, you don't have any stuff. No, right there. Oh, that's better. Oh my gosh. Yeah, yeah. That's scary.
Right there.
She grew in 6 years, didn't she?
I think so. No, she cannot do it.
You do it. You do one.
No, I'm too old for that. Hi, beautiful. Is it green?
Yeah.
You're taping then. Close, close.
Where are we?
Close for something else, Ruby. Christina.
Nice spot, guys.
Jimmy, stick you up. Have a stick.
Get it if there's dirt on the window. Brandon, this is Christina, and this is Alicia.
I know. She's the one who was
Jamie, no,
getting
this is-
chased by the man.
By the man.
The boy.
All right, guys.
The boy.
Good. I'm glad you guys made it.
At the wedding? Why did you? Oh, at your house.
He's gonna flush toilet.
Yeah, I know that. That's Slim. Got it. Lay off the coat.
Sorry?
What do you remember? I do. She was getting chased by
Have you been in the
this
lake yet?
big overgrown man and he got lost his ear.
On your way. Good.
Only got up to our
Matthew, be nice in the crock. Clams in Ruth Lake? No, I thought you might want to try because I'm going to go down and get some clams. What we would... Okay? The dogs, when they swim, come on the block, right? And they don't mean to scratch, but they'll do it by accident. So they get out to one side, okay? Get out of his way. You understand? Okay? Because he'll scratch. Okay. Okay.
Yes, I got him.
I gotta watch it from under. I'm glad you guys came. I'm glad you guys came up. Jen? Okay.
Leave us alone.
Okay. It's being videoed.
Matthew! Matthew!
Leave us alone.
Hey, what?
Matthew!
Look now!
You'll be sorry, Virgin, if you hit us.
I didn't touch you.
We're talking about the other Virgin. The
Okay.
main Virgin.
All right. Smile for your mom.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Matthew! Matthew, no!
Leave it alone.
Stay out. Matthew, no, stay out of it. If you're smart, you won't. Yes!
Stepping in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Beating him.
Nice work, yeah. Do you want to swim somewhere else? Well, you can't get all of them.
Yeah, try it, Brandon. I'll show you how they work. Swim back.
Well,
Can't go
Matthew,
under.
it's alive.
The life jacket won't let you. Go back a little bit like that.
Get in the
And use your flippers. There. All right. Now try to go forward really fast. Hey.
Jennifer, don't throw the ball.
There you are.
No,
Hang on, Jen. We got Brandon in here.
Jenny, over here.
Okay, Brandon. We're paddling now. Hey, come on out with me.
Jen, it's
Come on with me.
What's called Lake Haven? Lake Haven. Yeah.
Let's go to the store. Come, Sivana, come. Isha.
I didn't even bring that. Don't you can make Here, you can have one of his. No, mother. Well, you want to trade?
Oh, too much.
No.
Well,
I hate to see you're alone.
no, it's not.
Take it again.
Oh, well.
I think I'll take it. No.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, but we don't have enough.
On a second rainbow.
Go there, and there's another one just starting there. I don't know if you can see it.
Relax. Perfect. Under the sun. Under the water. Relax. Under this water, under this water.
He was here for the other party. And Tanya. I'm sorry, Tanya. It's not just a guest. So.
Would you like to stick a candle in these and blow them up?
No. I just
But you have to. I brought the respirator. Pretend you love it, Ruby.
That's all 30-year-olds can muster. Okay, I'll take a mic.
Now, can I get in the picture?
Sure.
Yeah.
Just slide the plate down there. Oh, yeah, that did it. Good, thank you. That looks delicious.
Whose chair is this?
Mine. Oh yeah, this is a Hi, party's over.
Just about to spark it.
It's ready.
No.
Harder, eh? Just come out.
Matthew, shh.